I have never seen two children looking so small.
Hey, do you think this is right?
How about mine? Can you teach me how to solve this?
Of course.
You think so? But their homework, they are so lazy with them.
I have nothing to do in the evenings, so let me help.
Alright, if you want to bother yourself.
Promise to give you not one, but two pencils. And you, because you did well, you deserve more.
Really?
I will find the biggest pencil that I could buy. Come here, boy. This is for you.
Yay!
And for you.
Wow! Yeah! What are you shouting about?
Vicente!
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you too!
Are you not going to kiss me for the pencils? Boys don't kiss boys.
Did you know my friends were really jealous because I had
Oh,
three
wow.
pencils?
Oh, really?
Oh my god, poor them!
Stop talking about the pencil.
Can you buy us some more? Please, so that we can each have 5.
Stop this! What will you do with so many pencils? Besides, you can only write with one at a time.
I'll ask Vicente for some more.
He's only a bus conductor. Don't ask him too many things, okay? It is pity people like those, and they make friends like us, and they feel it is nice to give us gifts, the children toys or things. You'd think they wouldn't be able to afford it?
The man probably needed a new job and is softening his way through to him by going at the children like that.
No, I don't think so. He's rather a young fair man, and I think he doesn't have many friends. But I watch him with the children. He seems to dote on them. Our classmates have been so jealous of us.
They wanted to have the same pencils as ours.
Could you buy
Of course, I'll buy you more pencils, as many as you want.
Oh, then I will tell all my friends and they will envy me for they don't have as many or as pretty.
What's your lesson for tomorrow?
This is our lesson and it's very easy.
Go ahead, right? I will watch.
Don't hold me on your lap. I'm